trust that the retwist is gonna unravel tomorrow. And if you pay money to get your hair retwisted, you better be maxing out that retwist. These two are the staples. You have to have this and you have to have just a light mist like that. Don't go spray. Hi, welcome and welcome back to my channel. We made it everybody. We made it to 3K. Thank you so much. I love you. And we're actually in the process of getting monetized. So round of applause, give me a round of applause. Come on. If you can never ever get your retwist to last more than 2 business days, then I'm here for you. This is the video you need to be watching, because today I'm going to tell you exactly why that is happening. I'm going to help you fix it. So without further ado, let us begin. A lot of people tell me that they can never ever make their retwist last, and when they do the retwist, it only lasts about 2 or 3 days or a week max. People are always asking me what they're doing wrong, so today I'm gonna tell you what exactly you're doing wrong. Number 1, you don't actually know how to retwist your hair. That's the biggest one. Just coiling your hair like this is not gonna do anything to help the retwist stay in place. You have to do the locksmithing method. You know, this motion, these fingers are pulling and then the thumb is pushing out. You have to do that motion. I just got a fresh retwist, if you hadn't noticed.
Wow.
I look a little different, don't I? Yes, I know. As you can see, my retwist is still intact. You can see clearly that my root is in place even though it's not tied up with the rest of my hair. And you can see that it's not unraveling after I have retwisted it. It's staying in place. The retwist is holding. If you're not securing the retwist after you do that coiling method, trust that the retwist is gonna unravel tomorrow. Number 2, you're not using gel, or you're not using a gel that's good enough. When it comes to retwist, you need to get a gel that has a strong hold, but at the same time, it's not waxy and it doesn't give you flakes. The gel that I like to use is the All Day Locs Supreme Hold Gel. I'm just gonna put it on the screen right here. That is the gel that I have been using for the past 3 years, okay? That is what has been getting me right. This gel doesn't cause me to get buildup, and the hold is really good if you combine it with the locksmithing method. So you may want to try looking into this gel. For those of you guys who are not using any products for your retwist, that is why your retwist is not lasting long. I know you're probably scared of buildup and you don't want to cause any problems for your hair, but if you want your retwist to last, you're gonna have to use some type of product, some type of holding product to help your retwist stay in place and to help it last long. If you don't want to use gel to do your retwist, you can try using mousse, because obviously you're gonna have a less chance of getting buildup if you use mousse instead of gel. This next one is about how you deal with your retwist after it's done. Once you finish doing your retwist like this, you need to make sure that the hair dries completely and that the gel dries fully. If you don't have a hooded dryer, you need to get a blow dryer, okay? Take that handheld blow dryer and blow dry your hair. Blow dry your hair. Because if you don't let the gel dry and you go to sleep and you wake up, the retwist is gonna be gone. If you make sure that the gel dries, your retwist is gonna have a greater chance of lasting more than 2 business days. Now, on to the next one. The next one is that you're spraying water in your hair the next day after you do your retwist. Before you do your retwist, you need to make sure that your hair is as moisturized as it can get. Before you start doing the retwist, make sure that your hair is freshly washed, like you just jumped out of the shower. You've moisturized your hair with some spray and leave-in conditioner, and when you finish the retwist, that's when you put the oil on your scalp and whatever. But after that day of the retwist, for the next 3 or 4 days, you're not gonna put anything in your hair. No water, no spray, leave-in conditioner, nothing. You need to give your hair enough time for it to set. Because like I mentioned before, if you put water on your locks, it's gonna cause your roots to puff up. And you don't want that, because you did all that hard work retwisting and you don't want it to go to waste. And if you pay money to get your hair retwisted, you better be maxing out that retwist. In that same vein of talking about moisture, you need to pay attention to how you're showering. Not like how you're putting the soap and sponge on your body, but like how you're covering your hair when you shower. You need to take your scarf, tie your hair down, then put the bonnet on your head while you're showering. This will prevent the steam from the shower from getting on your scalp to make your roots puff up. Speaking of bonnets, you need to go to sleep with protection. When I say protection, I'm talking about the scarf and the bonnet. These two are the staples. You have to have this and you have to have this. You can't have this without this, and you can't have this without this. This is what is gonna keep your hair in place when you're sleeping, so this is not moving it around. When you tie your scarf on your head before you go to sleep after a retwist, put the bonnet over it and then you can go to sleep and your hair is not gonna move, and when you wake up, the retwist is still gonna be in place. Another reason why your retwist may not be lasting is because you sweat a lot and you're going to the gym. I go to the gym 4 times a week, and even when I have a retwist in, I'm able to make my retwist last 3 weeks. That's because when I go to the gym, you see this? The scarf is going on my head when I'm at the gym, and when I close from the gym and I get back into the house, the scarf still stays on my head until my sweat is dried. When my sweat is dried, that's when I take this thing off to let my hair air out. This is the last one I'm gonna talk about, and it's washing your hair like 1 week after you got your retwist. I am an avid washer of my hair. I wash my hair religiously every single week, but when I get that retwist, I don't wash my hair every single week. To help my retwist last 3 weeks, I go 3 weeks without washing my hair. So you best believe that before that retwist, my hair is getting a very, very thorough wash, because I know for the next 3 weeks I'm not gonna wash my hair, and that when I wash my hair, the retwist is over. If you want your retwist to last, you're gonna have to compromise on something. Washing your hair is gonna introduce moisture into your hair. The gel is literally gonna evaporate from your hair because you're putting shampoo in it to clean your hair. There's no way that your retwist is gonna last after you wash your hair. It's just not possible. You have to delay your wash day after you get your retwist, and when you're spraying your hair with water, you have to not go too crazy on the water. Just a light mist like that. Don't go spraying. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. When you do your retwist, you need to allow your locks to dry fully. And if you're doing a retwist style, like, I don't know, barrel twist, that should be done before you sit under the dryer or before you dry your hair. Now, if you're not doing a retwist style and you want to do something like this, like ponytails and pigtails and stuff like that, wait till your retwist is fully dry. I would even say that go 2 days without styling your hair and leaving your hair just down if it's not a retwist style. The next thing is actually learning how to retwist your locks. You need to do the locksmithing method if you want your retwist to last long. Use some gel in your retwist if you want your retwist to actually hold up. Don't go to sleep without covering your hair. If you want the retwist to last, you gotta cover the hair. Use the scarf, use the bonnet. When you go to the gym and you're sweating, keep the scarf on. And last but not least, don't wash your hair a week after doing the retwist if you want the retwist to last. It's not gonna last. A retwist is not supposed to last as long as interlocking. Interlocking is what lasts long. If you want something that's gonna last you like 2 months, then sure, go interlock your hair. A retwist is just supposed to give you a nice little revamp for like a few weeks. If whatever you do, your retwist can't last more than a week or 2, it's probably not your fault and it's your hair texture, because softer hair textures are just not gonna last that long. It's just that simple. So if you have a softer hair texture and your retwist just can't last long, it's not your fault. If you put these things that I've told you into practice, it's probably gonna last longer than what it lasts right now. Okay, thank you so much for 3K subscribers. I didn't know you guys loved me this much. So that's it for this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.